Hi and welcome to the tutorial on Facebook page overview. So now we actually got a Facebook page and we have added a few details and so on. But what can you actually see in this page? What kind of tools do you have to make your page more desirable and reach more people? We've actually got quite a lot of tools. We will look into promoting the page, how to boost a post you made, how to create a post, and also see if a post has been shared, how many people has it reached. But first of all, let's start here with the layout of the page to see what we can actually see. First of all, you've got your page menus up here, which looks different from a normal Facebook page or normal Facebook. You actually got here, you've got messages standing up here instead of your normal messengers up here. You also got notifications. You can click those, and of course you will get those different kinds of details. So in here, for instance, when we look at the notifications, we can see who actually liked it, who did what, who did this, who did that. So we have a track on what's going on. Back again on the main page, we can also see we actually got various links up here saying promote, because this is how we can promote the page. So how can we actually promote it? Well, very simple. Just click it and it will have the options. What can you do? You can create an ad. You can then select what is your audience, what interest areas do we have. You can add more into that. You can also change again the age group as we talked about in the setup. You can also set a budget, because when you're promoting it, it costs money. So you can set your budget and this will give you an estimate amount of likes, and you can also set how long time it should run. You've got 7 days, 14 days, 28 days, and you can also put in a date if you want to run it even longer. You can also select the currency. This page is set up in Thai baht, so that's why it's showing it. And then after you've done that, you can see the ad here, and you can see how it will look if it's on a mobile, and you can also see if it's on the right column. So you have a little bit of a preview, so you can actually see, yeah, my ad looks okay. If there's something here I want to change, then you can change it in the settings and the About Us section. After you're done, click promote and the campaign will start. We will not do that right here. So that's one way of doing it. You can do that for the whole page, but you can also do it for individual posts. So when you create a post on Facebook, on the Facebook page, it will look like any post that you're making, except you will have a little bit more options. You also can see how many people has it reached. You can also see, you can boost it. Let's just get rid of that one. You can also boost it, and if we click the boost post, again, it's exactly the same section as we got with actually promoting our whole page, but this is only on the post itself. And then you can see, we can see who is the audience we can select. We can also again put a budget. We can also sort of see how many people it will reach and how many days it should run. And again, we can see a little bit of a preview on it, and then we can click boost and it will cost some money, and off it goes and gets boosted. This here has not been boosted, so we can see it only have reached 2 people. But how can that help us? Well, you can actually click it and see who did it reach. We only have 2 people it's reached, and we actually didn't have any likes or comments or shares. We can also see how it reached further out, how many posts has been clicked, and if there's any negative feedback and so on, we can see that as well. So you've got some really good tools in keeping track of your posts. We have one here that's actually reached 24 people, and again it's only 24, and that because it's not been promoted. This is just from natural low-end generation, and you can also see here there's not much done, and so on and so on. So we got all of these different posts. So how do we actually create a post? Well, first of all, you can just go and create a post like normal. Write something just like you would do normally. You just write your post, off it goes. Preferably you should put some pictures in there. So basically, photo or picture, upload it, and then write your little event and then post it and share it. So share it with everybody, get them to like it, because that will boost it and it will reach a lot more people. And you can also see this week our posts have actually reached 372 people in total, because all of these in here. Yeah. Also engagements, there's 68 post engagements. That's people commenting on various posts. And you can also create photo albums just like you would with a normal Facebook, so you can create that as well. You don't need to do it within a post. You can actually do and go directly to the photos, make your own uploads, create your own little um, previews of all the pictures and everything, so you've got them all in here, and then you can use them for later on.